Multi-award-winning British singer Sam Smith was recently on vacation in Portland, Jamaica. The soul singer was spotted at several spots in the parish, including Routes 21 Bar and Kitchen, Boston Bay, along with rafting on the Rio Grande. On Saturday, these photos of Sam and a fan were posted on the official Instagram page for Routes 21 Bar and Kitchen. Sam Smith rose to fame back in 2012 when he sang on Disclosure's number 11 British pop hit, Latch. He also won Best New Artist at the 57th Grammy Awards, as well as Record of the Year, Song of the Year, Best Pop Vocal Album. He is also the recipient of a Golden Globe. Academy of Dancehall and Reggae artists Lila Ike, Popcorn, Sean Posh, and Sia Skillibeng and Spice are to vie for this year's title of Best Reggae Act at the Music of Black Origin MOBO Awards. This year sees British rapper Dave leading the list of nominees with 5 nods. The MOBO Awards will also see Eastside DJ Skillibeng in the category of Best International Act, going up against hip-hop chart toppers Drake, Kanye West, Doja Cat, Lil Nas X, Megan Thee Stallion, among others. The awards show returns with its first live ceremony since 2017 and will take place in December. Now, dancehall artist Charlie Black has released his debut album, Rio Bueno. The album was released on Friday and is in honor of his hometown, Rio Bueno. The album features 11 songs, with familiar tracks You're Perfect, Money, Power, Respect, among others. In this Instagram post, the DJ said, quote, "First and foremost, thanks to God for life. My album is out now, Rio Bueno. All my fans over the world, go stream and buy my album. Tag me and let me know what's your favorite song from it." End quote. Charlie Black is currently on a promotional tour and celebrated the debut project in New York City over the weekend with an album release party. I am Daedra reporting for E! Prime.